Have you ever opened your refrigerator and been greeted by a terrible smell? It doesn't matter how expensive your fridge is. Bad odors can develop because of spoiled food, spills, moisture, or even bacteria hiding in places you can't easily see. The good news is you don't need expensive odor removers or harsh chemicals. In today's video, I'll show you simple, natural methods that are inexpensive, safe, and incredibly effective. Stick around until the end because I'll also share a few common mistakes that actually make refrigerator odors worse. Before fixing the smell, it's important to understand what's causing it. Most refrigerator odors come from spoiled leftovers, forgotten vegetables, leaking food containers, spilled liquids, or excess moisture. The first step is to completely empty the refrigerator. Check expiration dates, throw away spoiled food. Transfer fresh food into a cooler if cleaning takes longer than 30 minutes. Removing everything allows you to reach hidden spills and prevents odors from returning. Now let's make a natural cleaning solution. Mix 1 cup of warm water with 1 cup of white vinegar. Use a microfiber cloth to wipe every shelf, drawer, wall and door compartment. Pay extra attention to the corners because this is where food residue often hides. If stains are stubborn, sprinkle a little baking soda onto the cloth before scrubbing. Method 1. Baking soda. Baking soda is one of the best natural odor absorbers. Place an open bowl inside the refrigerator and replace it every month. That's why simply placing an air freshener inside the fridge rarely solves the real problem. Method 2. Coffee grounds. Dry coffee grounds absorb unpleasant odors while leaving behind a mild coffee scent. Method 3. Lemon. A sliced lemon provides a fresh citrus fragrance. Replace it every few days before it begins drying out. Method 4. Activated charcoal. If your refrigerator has a very strong odor, activated charcoal is one of the most effective natural odor absorbers because it traps odor molecules instead of masking them. Many people clean only the visible shelves, but smells often come from underneath the vegetable drawers, the door seals, and the drain hole at the back of some refrigerators. Take a few extra minutes to clean these hidden spots. Keeping your refrigerator fresh is actually very simple. Store leftovers in airtight containers. Wipe spills immediately. Check for expired food every week. Avoid overfilling the refrigerator so air can circulate properly. And replace your baking soda or charcoal regularly. By following these simple natural methods, your refrigerator can stay clean, fresh, and odor-free without spending money on chemical deodorizers. Remember, the secret isn't covering up bad smells, it's removing the source. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more home cleaning guides, and let me know in the comments which natural method works best for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.